Welcome to Module 3 of our Reality Transurfing Crash course, The Importance of the Alternative Space. In this module, we will delve deep into the concept of the alternative space, understanding its significance in conscious creation, and learning how to harness its extraordinary power to manifest our desired reality. So, let's embark on this transformative journey together. Before we dive into the profound realm of the alternative space, let's lay the foundation of conscious creation. It is crucial to recognize that our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions shape the reality we experience. By becoming aware of our inner landscape and mastering the art of directing our thoughts, we gain the extraordinary ability to navigate the vast sea of infinite possibilities. The alternative space is a concept in reality transurfing that propels us beyond the confines of our physical reality. It represents a collection of parallel universes that exist alongside our everyday existence. Within this remarkable realm, infinite potentialities and possibilities await our conscious exploration. By delving into the alternative space, we unlock the keys to shaping our desired reality. Visualization and imagination are formidable tools for accessing and traversing the realms of the alternative space. When we engage in vivid and detailed visualization of our desired reality, we activate the creative forces that reside within us. By employing clarity and infusing our visualizations with genuine emotion, we establish a profound connection between our current reality and the boundless potentiality that dwells within the alternative space. To truly harness the power of the alternative space, we must embark upon the journey of expanding our awareness and shifting our focus. Through practices such as meditation, we quiet the incessant chatter of the mind and transcend the limitations imposed by our everyday existence. By entering a state of profound presence and opening ourselves to new possibilities, we establish a direct line of communication with the alternative space, allowing its infinite potential to flow through us. Within the alternative space, conscious creation becomes a dynamic and awe-inspiring process. As we align our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions with the vibrations of our desired reality, we begin to witness a wondrous symphony of synchronicities and opportunities unfolding before us. It is vital to remain open, flexible, and detached from specific outcomes, trusting that the universe will deliver what serves our highest good. Embrace the magical dance between intention and surrender, for it is in this dance that the miracles of conscious creation manifest. Now let us engage in a practical exercise together to strengthen our connection with the alternative space. Find a tranquil space where you can immerse yourself in stillness and solitude. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Allow your awareness to settle within. Now, vividly visualize your desired reality, painting it with the brushstrokes of your imagination. Engage all your senses as you explore this new reality, feeling the textures, hearing the sounds, and embracing the emotions it evokes within you. Experience it as if it were happening right now, fully embracing the belief that it is already unfolding. Stay in this state of immersion for a few moments, allowing the energy of your desired reality to permeate your being. Congratulations on taking this profound step towards unlocking the extraordinary power of the alternative space. Remember, it holds an infinite array of possibilities awaiting your conscious exploration. By expanding your awareness, mastering your thoughts, and practicing the art of visualization, you open the gateway to consciously create the reality you desire. Stay open, stay focused, and trust the magnificent process unfolding before you. See you in the next chapter.